Hello, everybody. Welcome, as always, to another episode of the Crown Lounge. So, what I got today, there's a lot of espresso martinis, right? That's a big deal now. Espresso martinis is a big deal. So, what I'm gonna make today is called a Cowgirl Martini. It's not, I'm sorry, a Cowgirl Espresso Martini. Is it really a martini? No. But for the sake of what it's called, it is called a Cowgirl Espresso Martini. And we're going to use fresh brewed espresso, some chocolate liqueur, and whiskey, right? Since this is a Cowgirl Espresso Martini, we might as well use a Cowgirl's whiskey, right? This is Beyonce Sir Davis, right? She's a cowgirl. Really? I don't know. But for the sake of this, she is. Anywho, first things first, we're going to go with 1 ounce of fresh brewed coffee, espresso. If you don't have it, you can go with some cold brew. And it's at room temp. So 1 ounce. Next, we're going to go with 1.5 ounces of our whiskey. And we're choosing rye. It's 1.5 ounces. And last, we're going to go 1.5 ounces of our chocolate liqueur. And there's different types out there to choose from, but this is what I got. It's real thick too. Just 1.5 ounces. Now we're going to add some ice to our shaker. Give it a good shake to help froth it and chill it. Got our Coupe glass. So if you want to get fancy, you can like dust it with some cocoa or something like that, but we're not going to get fancy. We're here to drink. Anywho, cheers. A Cowgirl Espresso Martini. I know espresso martinis are a thing. This should be a bigger thing. This is really, really good. I'm a whiskey person anyway, so this is up my alley. Oh, man, this is really good. Anywho, don't forget to like, follow, and share. And I'll see you guys next time. Cheers.